Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today we will talk about past continuous presented by Hakim. Well, introduction. This is timeline as usual, past tense, present tense, and future tense time. Well, today we will talk about this part of it. Well, we use past continuous tense to describe actions that were happening at a certain moment in the past, like here. It shows the action that was happening continuously in the past, like this. The helping verb is was or were, the past tense form of to be. Well, here are some time expressions. All day, yesterday, at this moment, yesterday, at 3 o'clock yesterday, last night, last month, last Monday, and past continuous plus when plus subject plus verb, and past continuous, while, and past continuous. Let's see some examples. Positive sentence structure, subject plus was were plus verb ing plus object. Examples, I was playing football at 2 o'clock yesterday. You were studying in the evening last week. He was traveling to Los Angeles last month. She was cooking when I came home. It was raining at this moment yesterday. We were cleaning our house all day yesterday. They were watching TV while I was having dinner. Maria was doing her homework when I called her. My brothers were sleeping yesterday morning. Well, in negative sentence, we put not after was and were. Subject plus was, were, plus not, plus verb ing, plus object. Examples, I was not working yesterday. I think you were not sleeping at this moment last night. He was not coming to the meeting yesterday. She wasn't cooking when I came home. Wasn't is a short form of was not. It was not raining in the morning. We weren't doing anything all day yesterday. Weren't is a short form of were not. They were not listening to me while I was speaking. Gloria was not following the rules. My children were not playing in the garden when I came. Well, question tense. As usual, we put the helping verb before subject in order to make question. Was, were, plus subject, plus verb ing, plus object. Examples. Was I interrupting you yesterday? Were you sleeping when I knocked on your door? Was she working late yesterday? Was she helping her mother last week? Was it snowing all day yesterday? Were we going anywhere in the morning? Were they having lunch when you got there? Was Mike teaching you English last month? Were your friends coming here yesterday? And here are WH questions. How we use WH questions in past continuous. Let's see some examples. What were you doing here yesterday? Where were we going a while ago? What was he eating last evening? Which book were you reading yesterday? How were you going to school last week? Why were you crying when I came home? Who was calling me all day today? Where were you waiting for us yesterday? And here is speaking exercise. Try to answer these questions. Let's start here. Which movie were you watching last night? Where were you studying last year? What were you doing at 8 o'clock in the morning yesterday? What TV show were you watching last week? Where were you going yesterday? What were you doing at this moment yesterday? And here are some exercises to review the grammars. Make sentences in the past continuous. Choose the right form of the verb. Number 1 is about positive form. Number 2 is about negative form. Number 3 is about question form. You have to change the verb into past continuous form. And you can check the answers in the last lesson. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye.